Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to incorporate your company using our convenient Altomate platform. Let's get started. Create an Altomate account. If you already have an account, you can skip to the next step at 1 minute. Go to the Altomate website, altomate.io, or click the link in the description below. On the website, click the sign up button to create a new account. Here, we see the greeting page that briefly explains the services available on this platform. We have incorporation and company secretary services, bookkeeping management, tax advisory consultancy, as well as outsourcing payroll services. Next, click Start. Then, in this section, you will see two options, which are the Start a Business button and Login. You don't have an account yet, so click Start a Business button to create a new account. First, fill in your first name, your last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure your phone number is valid as you will receive a verification code. Then, set your password and click Let's Go. Check your phone for the verification code and enter it in the provided box. Click Let's Go to proceed. Congratulations, your account is now created and you are on the Altomate platform. A message will pop up asking you to complete the identity verification process. This is an important step to ensure compliance with Know Your Customer KYC standards. Click Proceed to KYC. On the KYC page, upload your IC front and back for identification purposes. Then, take a selfie or upload one. Lastly, create your digital signature by sketching it using your mouse. You can always make changes if needed. Once you are satisfied, click Proceed to submit your KYC. Now, you are on the Altomate app dashboard. Look at the top of the page for 4 options. Click on the Company tab and then click Start a Business to proceed.
Here, you will see a few types of business entities you can choose from: enterprise or partnership, company Sdn Bhd or private limited company, and limited liability partnership. Click on the company Sdn Bhd or private limited company option.
Once you have created an account, you will direct to the form page. Here, you can propose up to 3 names for your company, and we will conduct a name search for you. For example, let's say you are starting a cafe business. You can enter names like Dream Cafe and Together Cafe like I do here. Next, write a brief description of your company, such as principally involved in F&B business. When you are ready, click Next. On the second page, select the nature of your business. You can choose up to 3 different business activities by typing keywords. Altomate will suggest relevant codes for you to choose from. Since you are opening a cafe, enter the keyword wholesale of coffee and select the suggested code 46325, which covers the wholesale of tea, coffee, soft drinks, mineral water, and other beverage. If your cafe also serves bakery products, enter the keyword bakery products and select code 47216, which covers wholesale of biscuits, cakes, breads, and other bakery products. You can find this code on the MSIC website. Next, select your financial year end. For a newly set up company, the financial year end can be any date within 18 months from the incorporation date. Then, fill in your paid up capital. We recommend putting 1,000 ringgit paid up capital at 1 ringgit per share, as banks often request a minimum deposit of 1,000 ringgit and it makes share transfers easier in the future. Describe your company's business activities and provide your company's contact information, including the contact number and email. Once you're done, click Next. On the third page, fill in your business address, state, city, and zip postal code. If you don't have a business address yet, you can tick the box I do not have a business address yet. You will also need to provide a mailing address. If you don't have one, you can tick the box My mailing address is the same, or I do not have a mailing address. After filling the details, click Next. Now, it's time to choose the plan that suits your needs. If your company is dormant with a few business activities, the basic plan is sufficient. However, for an active company like a cafe, we recommend the Pro plan. The Pro plan includes an annual return filing fee, a financial statement filing fee, and unlimited resolutions. Plus, you will enjoy an additional 10% discount on other services like Altomate bookkeeping, taxation, payroll processing, and trademark application. You can choose to be billed monthly or annually. And if you option for annual billing, you will save 10% on the Pro plan and 33% on the basic plan. That's a yearly savings of 2,400 ringgit on the Pro plan and 240 on the basic plan. In this example, since you are running a busy cafe, we suggest selecting the Pro plan to ensure everything is taken care of. Next, you have two options, individual or corporate. If you are an individual, click on individual and fill in your shareholder details. If they are the shareholders or directors, they can sign documents electronically using the Altomate platform. Each shareholder and director should use a different email address to complete the KYC process and sign documents digitally. The number of shares should match the shares filled in earlier. For example, if the total number of shares is 1,000 and you have two shareholders holding 70% and 30% respectively, fill in 700 and 300 shares accordingly. After filling in the information, click Next. If your shareholder is also one of the directors, select their name from the list. Otherwise, fill in the information of the director and click Next. We are almost finished. On the last page, carefully review all the field information for accuracy. If there's a mistake, use the back button to make changes. Once you have reviewed everything, tick the two checkboxes and click Submit to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, click Pay Now and enter your credit card or debit card details. Alternatively, you can make a payment via online transfer using the provided bank details. After payment, it usually takes about 3 business days for your company to be incorporated. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to contact our customer service via the phone or WhatsApp numbers provided in the description below. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Share and like this video.